Imagine if you could build a majestic YouTube empire without ever showing your face. Now, what if I told you that not only is it possible, but the most inventive minds are doing it right this second? Join me as we traverse the uncharted lands of faceless content creation to unravel the treasure map of untold success. Buckle up, for this journey promises to shift the sands of what you thought you knew forever. It all starts with the Maven's tale. This isn't just any anecdote. It's a story of a digital voyager who dared to redefine the rules. Enter Alicia Harper, a 29-year-old astrophysicist by day and a thriving, faceless YouTube creator by night. Disguising her presence, she began animating scientific tales, layering them with wit, mysticism, and that blissful elegance of anonymity. Her virtual identity, ethereal scholar, captivated an audience hungry for something more, adventure wrapped in knowledge. But why go faceless? Therein lies the hidden force that Alicia stumbled upon. In a world where perception often overshadows purpose, faceless content serves as a clean slate, where logic and creativity take center stage. You see, Alicia realized early on that by eliminating her own physical presence, she gifted freedom to imagination. Her viewers could become the captains of their own boats, sailing unshackled across the vast oceans of curiosity. Therefore, Peter, our trusty next-door analytical enthusiast, could imagine himself as the hero of each saga, traveling from the distant Saturn rings to a microcosmic cellular world. It's this potency of projection that strikes the heart of faceless content, a concept only amplified by metaphor. As Alicia conquered more ground, she happened upon her first pivotal challenge, known in the producer's circle as the blank abyss. It's a creeping nemesis, those moments where creativity dwindles, momentum screeches to a halt, and uncertainty masquerades as doubt's best friend. Deftly, Alicia navigated these treacherous waters. How? By tapping into her childhood love for mythical creatures. On her platform, she showcased a weekly podcast, merging fact with folklore. Why dragons could never roam the earth, but our fascination with them surely does. Unbeknownst to her, this deviation would kindle an embersome spark of intrigue that would blaze into a beacon of interaction. Her community wasn't just consuming, they were contributing, building upon Alicia's tales with legends of their own. But such triumphs invariably brought forth the hydras of distraction, a multi-headed beast. Like the mythical creature that discombobulates men with one-to-many heads, Alicia soon realized her newfound fame attracted disparate opinions and relentless scrutinies. It's here that she had to remind herself that the reins lay firmly in her hands. To her original mission, she adhered: transformational storytelling, unspoiled by compromise. And therefore, she stoked the fires of authenticity. Setbacks fashioned strengths. And unbeknownst to Alicia, she had unwittingly harnessed a cardinal force, the superpower of routine. A metronome to creativity, her sequenced discipline bridged islands of uncertainty to promises fulfilled. By laying out stopgaps in her schedule, she peppered increments of unspoken excitement. Fans eagerly awaited her uploads, knowing full well that each presentation held the potential for a starring role in their imaginations. Yet, the allure of faceless grandeur extends beyond individual creativity. Remember the capricious spirits of collaboration? Alicia choreographed relationships with fellow mavens, an eclectic mix from surreal mystery narrators to tech review maestros. With digital handshakes, they came forth, merging their audiences into a veritable cauldron of collective engagement. Alicia's subscribers evolved into advocates, championing the cause beyond the realms of her original content. Coins turned to harmonies, collaboration became the cornerstone of co-creation. But, dear visionary, after all is said and done comes the whisper of realignment. A quiet murmur that beckons you home whenever ambition overstays its welcome. It is this whisper Alicia heeded when questions fogged motivation. Questions like, What am I building this legacy for? If I were to unmask, would it change everything? Consequently, Alicia crafted a final litmus test to measure authenticity, the essence elixir. It was a simple observation. If the content you brew invigorates you, it shall nourish those who seek to partake. A poignant reminder, if passion is the wind, integrity must remain the compass, guiding the steadfast ship that is your faceless channel. Therefore, as you sit before this screen, dare to dream beyond limitations, past the limiting archways of self-imposed shadows. Let the magic within the unseen liberate your future ventures. Remember, as Alicia's tale comes to a close, only through unyielding resolve do doors masquerading as walls transform into pathways. For every seasoned voyager, a forgotten mystery still awaits. But hold fast, for next time, we'll unlock the million-dollar mindset lying dormant within every aspiring creator. Until then, let your imagination blaze anew,